Oh my God, this is our first dinner in the United States since we arrived. Oh my God. So I am preparing a very delicious corned beef with egg for today. Ayan.
Thank you. Enchilada.
Yeah, because we are going to go to the grocery store tomorrow. We need to do it tomorrow because I don't have lemon as well. Ayan, diba? Hello, everybody! So, kakain tayo ngayon, mga langka. Sharang! O, diba? Corned beef. Ayan. Corned beef with egg. I hope Roberto will still get some rice here. You know, here in the US, once lang talaga akong kumain ng kanin. No? Once a day lang. Sa Pilipinas lang talaga medyo, alam mo na, kaya iwas-iwas muna ako sa mga maraming kasama sa mga tour. Para hindi ako kakain ng kakain. Diba? So, let's eat everybody. Lamig. Kahit corned beef siya with egg. Nilagyan ko siya ng egg. So, ito lang yung dinner namin today, guys. Sarap. Lami!
Lami!
Lami, manggudi ay. Diba, this is our simple life here. Kung sa Pilipinas, may nag-aasikaso ng aming pagkain. Dito, ako lahat. Hindi uso dito ang katulong, no? Total, pareho naman kami ni Roberto walang trabaho. So, ako lang yung nagpe-prepare sa lahat. Ganun siya. Which is good. Diba? Ang sarap. The dogs love it. Na-miss nila kami sobra. I love it so much. Super delicious. So that's our recipe today, corned beef with egg. So once again, we are
Makulay na buhay.
Makulay na buhay, USA Live. We love you all. Mwah!